Hello everyone, welcome to the Stealing Insight YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing on how to create shortcut, your own shortcut. So how do you go about creating your own shortcut? We'll be starting with this. Now before we go ahead to creating our shortcut, let's quickly speak about the shortcut of symbols. First, you hold your shift key down and you press those digits or numbers at the head. You see that you'll be getting the symbols that are written at the top the way it's been pressed currently. Now each of this symbol is gotten by virtue of holding the shift key down. Now let's assume that you want to create a particular shortcut because of your multiple utilization of a particular thing. So for this, what I want to start with is that we're having this here like volume of a cylinder, and we are being told to type the formula for volume of a cylinder. All you just need to come to this symbol and pick on, because it's pi r square, you can pick this pi in order for you to be able to get that done. However, in order to ease our work, what we'll be doing now is that we are going to the symbol because we'll be needing this pi severally. So I'm picking on more symbols, then I pick on the pi sign and shortcut key. So the shortcut key I want to create for it is what I'm going to be holding down, Control Alt T. Control Alt T. Once I assign this will move from this place to this place because it will show that that's the current key that will bring it up, and I close up this part and close this. So what it means is that with this I can just do Control or T and I get my pi. The formula is pi r square h. That is the formula for volume of a cylinder. So this is going to give us pi r square h, and with this we are good to go in order for us to get the formulas that we actually require. So we've gotten the volume of a cylinder. Let's quickly get the area of a circle. Control Alt T, and we can always have our r, then the square. So with this we can always have it in this manner, pi r square. That's the area of a circle. And if we so wish, we can also use another symbol just for us for emphasis sake. Now let's assume we want to quickly work on alpha, beta, or we don't want to use that shortcut for that symbol anymore. We can easily go to more symbols, select the same thing, the same symbols, and click on shortcut. Click on this current key and remove the shortcut. Once you remove the shortcut, that end. And now let me assume that I want to add a shortcut to alpha and beta. However, you can see at this point that there's already a shortcut there. So I want to create another button for alpha. I can do Control Alt Z. Control Alt Z. I'm assigning Control Alt Z and as the shortcut for alpha, and for my beta I can decide that instead of using this, I want it to be Control Alt V. Now Control Alt V, the assignment. Once I assign it and I close, so once I close this, you'll be able to see that merely me pressing Control Alt Z, I already have the symbol alpha, and let's assume there is a plus sign that separates them. Then I can easily do Control Alt V in order to get my beta, and with this we can easily get the solution of whatever we are looking out for using our system. So the emphasis of today's class is how to create shortcuts for your own work. Let's assume you are dealing with things that are involving naira. You can easily come to symbol and pick on more symbols. When you pick on more symbols, from there you can pick on your naira or your dollar or your pounds sign, and you'll be fine. So I hope you've been able to pick out something from this class. It's just short and precise about how to assign a particular shortcut on the keyboard and how to remove the assigned shortcut on the keyboard. Thank you for listening. Please do ensure to like, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. Bye.